Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 7th August 2025. Economic Outlook. RBI holds repo rate. RBI keeps repo unchanged at 5.5% amid inflation, US tariff concerns. Inflation forecast cut. FY26 inflation revised to 3.1% from 3.7% due to food price stability. GDP outlook steady. FY26 GDP growth maintained at 6.5%, Q1 FY27 projected at 6.6%. Legal developments. SC orders Discom dues. Discoms must clear dues by April 2028, new dues within 3 years. CM name ban overturned. SC allows Chief Minister's names in government scheme branding again. Banking and finance. Agar dues await equity deal. Airtel seeks to convert 40,000 rupee CR dues into equity, decision pending. Airtel unit listings planned. Airtel eyes IPOs for payments bank and NXTRA data center arms. TCS wage hikes announced. TCS to hike salaries for 80% of staff, effective 1st September. VRRR soaks up surplus. RBI absorbs 67,755 crore rupees in VRRR amid liquidity of 3.97 lakh rupees CR. RBI pushes T-bill SIPs. Retail investors to soon invest via SIPs and T-bills on RBI platform. Corporate finance. Bajaj Auto profit jumps. Q1 profit rises 14% to 2,210 rupee CR, EVs now 20% of revenues. Hero Moto boosts profit. Hero MotoCorp Q1 net rises 65% to 1,705 rupee CR via Ather IPO gains. Trent net profit up. Trent's Q1 profit up 9.5% to 430 rupee CR, revenue up 19% to 4,883 rupee CR. Jubilant plans expansion. Domino's and Popeyes to expand footprint across Indian cities. PVR Inox loss narrows. Q1 FY26 loss reduces to 54 rupee CR, revenues grow 23.3% to 1,469 rupee CR. Infosys opens Hubballi Lab. Infosys opens AI and Space Tech Lab, crosses 1,000 employees locally. International affairs. Modi plans China visit. PM to attend SEO summit in China after 7 years, meet Xi likely. US tariffs hit India. Trump imposes 25% more tariffs over Russian oil, total now 50%. Tax and compliances. MCA to ease MSME norms. Corporate Affairs Ministry drafting plan to ease MSME compliance load. Textile export push. Industry urges fast rollout of export incentives to boost global competitiveness. Investments and finance. Inox GFL plans 50,000 rupee CR push. Group to invest 50,000 crore rupees in renewables, batteries by FY29. SIPs stay resilient. SIPs yield median 6% in Flexicap despite Nifty being flat YoY. NSDL debuts strongly. NSDL lists at 880 rupees, and 17% up at 936 rupees on debut day. 5 IPOs approved. SEBI clears IPOs of Anand Rathi, Prestige Hospitality and others. And sells Eternal stake. And Financial to offload 5,370 rupee CR Zomato stake via block deal. Financial markets. Weekly expiry intact. SEBI dismisses speculation over scrapping weekly options expiry. Sensex sees minor drop. Sensex ends at 80,544, down 166 points amid muted trade cues. Gold prices rise. Dollar at 87.8 rupees, gold up 375 rupees at 1 lakh and 50 rupee per 10G. SIPs outperform lump sum. Median SIP return at 6% versus 4.3% for lump sum in Flexicap schemes. Bluestone IPO opens. IPO worth 1,540 rupee CR opens 11th August, price band set at 4,9 to 517.